Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to make your own Polaroid photos without Polaroid camera. This is super quick and easy guys, so without any further ado, let me start the tutorial. First, let's open Picsart and scroll down and select transparent background. Then choose draw icon. Now tap the square and circle icon and choose square shape. By the way guys, don't forget to select that fill shape instead of stroke. I will be selecting white color for this frame. And check the layers. And now start drawing. Just imagine how the Instax Mini look like, and yeah. Try to adjust. After adjusting, just tap the layer icon and then drag up the bottom transparent layer, and then tap again the square and circle icon and change the color, and let's make it black, and try to draw again another layer. After adjusting our imaginary Polaroid, just tap the layer and then drag down the black layer. After that, tap again the layer icon and highlight the white layer and select SOAR. Now to finish up our Polaroid frame, just tap the ellipsis and tap merge. Now it's time to add a photo. Now tap again another layer and choose photo. Now we are trying to look for a better photo here. Let's select a good one. So there you go. Super cute Chinese but one. Yeah. Then drag down again the photo. It's done! We now have our Polaroid photo. Now tap apply. Then if you wanna enhance this Polaroid photo, we can add text. After adding some text, now it's time for us to save the file. Just tap the check and next and press save. Hey guys, here's another bonus. If you wanna add some border or style in your Instax, so here's another tutorial for you, but same process guys. The only difference is you must use a photo. So I have here a photo, super cute. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you did enjoy, and please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on your post notification for you to be notified whenever I uploaded a new tutorial video. So see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace!